Hey guys, thanks for joining me. How's it going? We find ourselves not in Colorado today, but in Las Vegas, and not in the Elantra N today, but in a Toyota Supra. I'm really excited. I got this car on Turo. Been looking forward to this trip for a little bit now because I've never really driven any other car besides, my Elantras that I've had, and then the Corvette that I had for like a week. So this is really cool. I get to experience this. We're driving to Hoover Dam now. We're kind of a quarter of the way there. So I want to get some cool driving clips, some cool pictures of scenery and stuff like that. Just kind of, enjoy this car. I have it for today. So when there's more cool stuff happening, as you can see right now, it's just freeway ahead. We'll kind of show you what's happening, but right now we're just doing some regular traffic, you know what I'm saying? All right, so first impressions, this car is super sick. Obviously, I love how it looks a lot, and in my opinion, it really competes with the C7 Stingray. But I was talking to the guy, and he has both as a Turo host. So he said this one is like faster launching, but the C7 will like go faster eventually, if that makes sense. It's gonna have like a higher top speed, like higher top end. So I thought that was an interesting insight from somebody who actually has both cars. That was super cool. One thing that I noticed right away, I actually really like driving with the windows down so I can hear the exhaust note and everything like that. And especially, in this warm weather, I would love to have the windows down so I can cool off. But in this car, if you go above like 25 and you have the windows down, I saw this in reviews and I didn't really believe it, but the wind buffeting in your ears is so disruptive. Like, you really can't focus on anything else besides that. I thought that was really interesting and a weird flaw for this car to have, considering it's made by enthusiasts for enthusiasts, kind of that whole deal. So I know there's things that people put on, I think the mirrors or somewhere around there to fix that issue. So unfortunately this car does not have that mod from what I can tell. But yeah, I just thought that was super interesting to experience in real life. I just thought it was like, oh, the people that are reviewing it are just nitpicking. But it actually is pretty disruptive. So it's kind of, unless there's like a really good fix for it in the future, I don't know if I will consider the Supra at all just because of that fact alone. But I thought that was interesting. Just wanted to speak my mind, you know what I'm saying? Let my voice be heard. All right, well, we'll get back to driving. I'll see you guys near Hoover Dam. Guys, those are the statues from Percy Jackson in book like 3 or something, or 2 maybe. Yeah, now we're sightseeing. All right, guys, so this is our culprit for today. I love this color actually, but we seem to have had a little bit of an impact here. The driver before us, so that's unfortunate. Or I don't know if it was before us, maybe a couple drivers before us, but either way, he's very aware of that, so that sucks. But at least, if I tap somebody, nobody's gonna notice. No, I'm kidding. All right, we're gonna go do like the actual touristy stuff, and then we're gonna get some cool car clips afterwards, so I'll catch you then. Okay, there is water here. Look at that. Who would have thought? And then there's the dam. I don't know like what is a good water line. Are we heard that we're at a good level for this year. I'm trying to see on the rocks, like if it's significantly below what we would expect, but I think it's actually pretty okay because I don't see like a solid line horizontally until there, obviously, but that's cool. Look at that.
Certain times of the year we're at the same.
No, but that one is showing the levels.
And then the piece de resistance. This Hoover Dam water. Wait, oh, there it goes. I feel like that's definitely just not true at all, and it's just a picture of the Hoover Dam. But yeah, there it is.
Great time to be taking pictures. Throughout the tour today, while I'm talking, is a great time to be taking pictures. I will not take offense. Try and move away from the doors for me, please, folks, so we can let everyone else in. Find anywhere along the railing to stand. Welcome in.
Damn, I don't remember the last time I seen this big of a nut ever, bro. Dude, my hands are so sweaty right now. I'm terrified of this height.
Stretches 1,244 feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like an upside down.
All right, here it is. Let's go inside as well. Here's my big ass soda that I got. Gotta make a funny noise or else it's not funny. So, I don't know. Super fun to drive. Yeah, prints on the screen, but that's my fault, of course. I'm not sure what to go over really. I'm more excited to take this on the Las Vegas Strip. And I think Autumn will be helping me film when we do that. But that's coming up in like an hour or so. I just wanted to take a break. We're back at the Airbnb. Drink some sodies, you know, relax, and then I'll see you there. Oh, look at the helicopter. So we made it to the Strip finally. We have a lot of miles left. I had 250 available and we've only done 100 so far, so I just want to go like all the way to the end and then all the way back at least once to say that I've done it in a cool car. And then I think we're parking up at the Bellagio and going on foot from there, but we're gonna go that way, see if we can get some cool clips, I don't know, and then back. Here we go, some cool rep. guys, Autumn made my phone overheat, so we're on her phone now for the next 10 minutes until she blows this one up too.
Make me a pizza.
Make me a pizza.
Damn it. Please. Please. What did that say over there?
Get those cool cars when they, you know, like over there by the store. Remember? They're parked.
Yeah. No.
Alright, well, we'll pass by them on our right, okay?
Okay, right. Whoa, whoa.
Ooh, nice.
Whoa.
The top down, too. Oh my god, look at that Rolls Royce right there.
Oh.
Fuck. Did it get covered?
Yep.
Damn it. It's never like the cheap Rolls Royce, it's always the most expensive one.
Dang.
So I do not want to. Oh, let's actually stay at Harrah's.
Oh, I actually thought it was Harrah's.
What?
I don't know. I don't know, I'm sorry.
Would it be Sarah's, like instead of Sarah's?
Well, it's spelled with like 2 R's.
I don't know, man. I mean, for all
And
I
an AH, I don't know.
For all I know, it's hurrah, but that'd be insane. So I don't know.
Let me know in the comments if it's Harrah's
Let
or...
me know in the comments if it's hurrah's or Harrah's. Well, it's nice here in the shade. I love it.
Kind of doobie.
Be careful.
Careful.
So that we don't have to turn right.
The fountain.
The fountain.
It's not even going.
You can't even see it. It could be a fucking trash heap for all we know.
Yep.
Oh shit, I was supposed to turn. Okay, look, there were 2 lanes here. Both of them go to self-parking. One of them is clogged to shit and the other one just keeps going. How was I supposed to know that this one randomly stops here?
How was he supposed to know?
How was I supposed to know? It's so stupid.
You couldn't see it when you turned in here, and it was just...
Like, why would one be full and the other just... Look at that Bentayga. That's
From
awesome.
Washington.
Oh, you're not a real car enthusiast if you don't break your neck going away from it, looking at it, right?
Yeah.
There it is.
What the heck?
I should learn how to drift.
I don't think so. Holy. Whoa. What are we doing here? Oh.
All right, we found a silver car, bro. Even though his is less silver. Looks cool. All right, we're getting this, not this. But I love this. Look, guys, this is where they're building the stuff for the Formula 1 race. That is so sick. We just randomly came this way as a detour because the traffic was so bad, but that's awesome. I guess I can't see too much. But yeah, you know, at least I was there. All right, fellas, I'm sorry to announce, but it looks like our one-day adventure with the Supra has come to an end. There's a big ass... What the fuck is that? Okay. It was a fun time. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys back in the fucking 303. Peace.